Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to exit safe mode on your laptop and PC for Windows 11. You can also do this on your Windows 10. All you want to do is on your keyboard, press the Windows key plus R to open up the run command, or you can just come here, right click on your start icon, and then go ahead and click on run. Okay, you get this pop up. Now here I want you to go ahead and type msconfig. Just like this, okay? Type in msconfig and then click on OK. Now, when this pop-up will come up, I want you to come here, the top menu, you see boot, go ahead and click on boot. Now here, this is our Windows version, okay? Just click on your OS and then you see safe boot, you need to toggle this off, okay? Make sure you apply, then click on OK. Then once we close this, we are able to next start in exiting safe mode. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.